Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I am back with a project share. So this has been a while since I started this project, and I pretty much started it as soon as I got the die. But this is the arcade game box designed by Nicole Silhouette, and it's just been sitting on the side. I had it like most of it done. I just needed to finish doing a few more things, and so I finally finished. I think I'm done now, so I just wanted to share it with you. So it's quite large, as you can tell. I can't fit the whole thing in the shot without showing you all my mess here and there, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. Okay, so this is a really cool die. Now I know a lot of people have been doing their own versions of it. Like I think BB's Crafts, who's Brittany. Hey, Brittany. And I think Amy L also did their own version. I don't know if it's cut files or if it's just, I think they're just manual. But once I saw Nicole Silhouette's die, I'm like, oh my god, that's so much easier for me. So I just bought it, and it's like, it's really easy to put together actually. But Tracy, I can't remember her channel's name, but I'll try to link the tutorial down below. But she does a really good tutorial on how to put it together. I'm pretty sure that's how I followed it. If it's not, then I'll write something in the comment box. That's how long ago it's been. Okay, and then Hannah, who is from KS Crafts, who makes the die, she made it into a shaker, and I thought that was really cute too. So I just kind of took inspiration from all of these individuals, and I kind of created my own. So I wanted to make a Hello Kitty version really badly, and I have someone specific in mind who's going to be getting also that the boom box that I made, and the traveler's notebook, I think, and I can't remember anything else that I made that's Hello Kitty. But anyway, so this is what I did. So I just based it off of this paper, which is part of that Cricut paper collection that I've been trying to use up. And it has a lot, although this one doesn't have reds, but the other part of the collection has reds. But because this one was more pink, I stayed with more pinks. And I combined it with some Doodlebug paper. So these are just like those background papers that you can get, you can buy the extras of. And so I made a boo-boo here, and I had cut this paper wrong, and I ran out of that paper, so then I had to just use the pink instead, and it kind of worked out okay, I think, because otherwise I think it would have been too much of this Hello Kitty heads. Okay, so let's start with the back. So the back, these are just some stickers that I had gotten from AliExpress a long time ago, and I haven't been using it. So I busted it out, and it was like kind of perfect. I think the expressions kind of match like a video game for some reason. And I kind of wanted the back flat because I'm putting dimension on other sides, so I just left those plain. And then this side is kind of similar to the other side, where I made rosettes out of that Doodlebug paper. And then I glued on the sequins bowls from AliExpress, and then I glued on the little Hello Kitty heads, which are also resin pieces from AliExpress. So I did that on both sides. And then on the top, oh gosh, you guys, I think her name is Crafty by Nature. I think it's Glory. Is that Gloria? I can't remember. I hope that's her name. Anyway, I had bought these resin pieces from her that were Hello Kitty, and I wanted to use one of them on this project. So I added some daisies next to her, and then I thought it needed something else. So I just got some of my tulle, and I made a little bow, or big bow, and then on the back I just added more daisies. And then the front here, like I mentioned, I did make it into a shaker. So that was kind of fun. So you can still see inside the inside of the box if you have stuff popping up. And then here I just got a circle punch using holographic paper scraps, and then I glued the little pom-pom on the straw. I want to say Brittany did that, I'm not sure. And then these are just some like epoxy stickers that somebody gave me from, I want to say it's Dollar Tree. And then I used another one of those Hello Kitty resin pieces that came in the set that I got this one in, so I thought it would match perfectly. And this I just made myself, so I just used my paper trimmer. I cut this little window out, and then I used the little Stampin' Up punch that I've had forever. It's a little slot punch to make it look like it's like where you stick the coin in, and then this is where you get your change back if it didn't take it. So that's it, you guys. Okay, so the other part is that it is an actual box. It is very snug, and I didn't put, I should have put like a ribbon or something. I don't know if I can still do that. Let me see if I can take out the box to show you. I'll try and do it on camera. Hold on. I used 100 and I think it might have been 120 pound cardstock, but it's very sturdy, so I'm hopeful it'll last through shipping. But here's the box size, and it does fit nicely into this area. So you could, because it's tall, you could actually put something pretty tall in there as well. But anyway, I don't even know what I'm gonna put in there, but I just thought that this was super cool and I wanted to make it for somebody. So that is my project share. I'm so glad I finally finished it. And I gotta ship that to that person already because it's been a while. So anyway, I hope you guys like my project, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.